As winter approaches, it's a great time to tackle small, manageable DIY projects that can increase your home's value, especially if you're considering selling in the near future or simply want to make smart updates. I'm Kevin Ryan from Blue Coast Realty, and I'm here to tell you about 7 different projects that we can get going. A freshly painted front door, modern hardware, and a clean welcome mat can immediately boost curb appeal. Choose a deep, classic color like navy or red, and pair it with a bold planter or lantern for a warm, welcoming vibe. Next, seal up drafts and replace worn weather stripping on doors and windows. This not only helps with energy efficiency, but also signals to potential buyers that your home is well maintained. You can also add a door sweep for extra protection against the cold. Lighting is another easy win. Swap out outdated fixtures in key areas like entryways, bathrooms, or kitchens. Add a dimmer switch to create a warm ambiance. These small upgrades add a lot of modern appeal. If you don't have one already, installing a smart thermostat is a great investment. It adds comfort, reduces heating bills, and appeals to the tech-savvy buyer. Most models are easy to install yourself and offer long-term savings. Take the time to touch up paint and baseboards. Focus on high traffic areas where scuffs show the most. Use neutral colors and bright warm trim for a clean, updated feel. In the bathroom, skip the full renovation. Instead, update your lighting, install a new shower curtain, and replace old caulking and cabinet hardware. These changes make a big impact for very little cost. Finally, don't forget about your curb appeal. Even in winter, use hardy planters with evergreens. Keep your porch tidy and add exterior lighting to create a warm glow after dark. It's all about showing your home is loved and looked after. At Blue Coast Realty, we always encourage homeowners to focus on updates that are both functional and attractive. These 7 DIY projects are affordable, doable before winter, and they make your home more comfortable while increasing value. If you're planning to sell or just want to personalize advice, reach out to our team. We are here to help every step of the way.